Hey everyone, welcome back to English Grammar for Adults. We are still in Unit 1, but we are now on Lesson 7, which is all about conjunctions. Now, if you don't know what a conjunction is, I'll tell you. It is words that are used to connect different parts of sentences or multiple sentences together. This just makes it easier for information to flow naturally. Sometimes it's better to say one longer sentence than it is to say two sentences. Yeah, basically. Basically. Okay, so how do we use conjunctions? Well, conjunctions can connect two subjects, two predicates, or just two sentences together. So, not too bad, not too bad. I think we understand what it does, but it's always better to see it in use. So, let's take a look at some examples of conjunctions. John and Mary are going to the party. There's a conjunction. Do you see it? I'm sure you do. She sings and dances beautifully. I bet you see that one too. And the third one, the sun is shining and the birds are singing. Ooh, you see that one as well. Why? Because they are the and, and the and the and. Look at that. That's an easy way to join two things together. We have two subjects, we have two predicates, and then we have two separate sentences. Not so bad, right? Conjunctions are easy. Conjunctions also connect words within a sentence, joining similar or contrasting ideas. Ooh, this is where we get out of the and into something else, right? Contrasting ideas. What does that mean? Let's take a look at some examples. I like both pizza and pasta. Similar ideas, right? She is not only a great athlete, but also an excellent student. They're kind of contrasting, right? The weather is chilly, yet the sky is clear. Interesting. So if we look at this, we see the and, we see the but, and we see a yet. Okay. But are those the only ones that we have? No, not really. But the most common three types of conjunctions you will ever see are and, but, and or. And is used to connect two similar ideas together. For example, she likes to read books and write stories. She likes to do these two things. But indicates a contrast, right? Something's different between these ideas. He wanted to go out, but it started to rain. Yeah, contrasting. Or presents options or alternatives. We have some choices here, right? You can watch a movie or you can read a book. You have two different choices. Cool. Now, now you understand it. Let's do a quick checkup. So, underline the conjunction in each sentence. That's it. Just find it. I'll see you in a second, okay? Pause the video. I'm sure you paused the video, and I'm sure it only took a few seconds to do this quick checkup. So let's review it really quick, okay? Number one, she wanted to go to the park and the zoo. Conjunction is and. Easy. It is raining, but he forgot to bring his umbrella. Contrasting ideas, a but. Number three, the cake can be either chocolate or vanilla. There's a choice. You can have a chocolate cake or a vanilla cake. It's a choice. And number four, he was late and he decided to travel by train. That's probably the faster option, right? Number five, she enjoys painting and playing the piano. I like doing both of those too. I'm just kidding. I can't paint or play the piano. But it's okay. Let's start with our first exercise. Are you ready? I am. We are going to join sentences with conjunctions. So our instructions are to rewrite the two sentences by joining them together with a conjunction. You can use and, or but to join these sentences, okay? So you see, there's two sentences here. Put them together. Pause the video, write these in your notebook, and we'll check them. Ready? Pause the video. You paused that video. I'm sure you did. So now let's take a look at these answers. Are you ready? Here we go. Number one, she enjoys painting landscapes and loves capturing portraits. You could actually take out the also loves. You don't even need to say that. She enjoys painting landscapes and capturing pictures. See, we can shrink things down if we want. Number two, the weather is sunny and the temperature is quite cool. Or you could say, the weather is sunny, but the temperature is cool. It just depends how you want to say that sentence. But we have options, okay? Number three, he wanted to go to the concert, but he didn't have enough money. Isn't that always how it works? Number four, the cake can be chocolate flavored or vanilla flavored. We saw that already. Easy one. Choice. And number five, she practiced for hours, but she still felt unprepared. You know, that's kind of normal for me too. Sometimes I think I'm ready, but I'm not. Exercise number two, okay? Write 5 two-sentence pairs that can be joined together with the conjunction and, or but. So we're going to basically do the same thing we did before. We're going to take these two sentences and make them one, okay? Choose and, but, or, okay? Pause the video, write these down, and I'll see you in a second. You paused that video. I know you did. I know you wrote the answers, and I just have a feeling that they're all correct. Are you ready? Let's take a look at them, okay? Number one, the dog loves to play fetch, but the cat prefers to nap in the sun. So we could say it as both positives, right? Oh, the dog loves to play fetch and, the cat likes to sleep in the sun. See? They're both good things. Think of it like a feeling, yeah? I said and, so it's a positive and a positive. That's a good thing. He likes fetch. Cat's in the sun. That's a good thing. But you could also contrast the two activities. So if you wanted to say it that way, you could say, the dog loves to play fetch. Look at him. He's all active. But the cat prefers to nap in the sun. Lazy, active. So see how you can choose how you want to portray this. The conjunction changes the meaning of the sentence, right? When it was and, both things were cool, positive. And when it was but, one was a positive and one was a contrasting idea, a negative. Number two, we can go to the movies tonight or we can watch the new documentary. Either one sounds great, right? What do you want to do? It's a choice. Number three, she tried to call earlier, but she couldn't. See, it's a negative. Reach you. We see the end there is a negative. So it makes sense to join it with a contrasting idea, right? A but. That but is a good conjunction when they don't match, right? I tried to do it, but I couldn't. Okay. Number four, I want to travel to France, but I need to save money first. Yeah, that's common sense. I want to do it, but I can't because I don't have the money. Number five, he forgot his lunch at home, but he could buy a sandwich at the store. See, it was okay. Even though it was a negative, it's still okay, right? There was a positive outcome, but it's really contrasting. He forgot something, but he could get it somewhere else, so it was okay, right? Not every sentence with a but is completely negative. It just shows that they contrast. And just like that, you've learned all about conjunctions, and you found out that they aren't difficult at all. They're pretty easy. If we remember that and puts two positives together, two things that go together, okay? Or gives you a choice. You can do this or this. And but is all about that contrast. You could think of it as a positive and a negative, but it's not just that, right? We could simplify it and say that, but you saw in that last sentence, it wasn't really a negative. He forgot his sandwich, but he could buy one over here, so it was okay. Do you see what I mean? They're contrasting ideas. Usually it's a positive and a negative, but sometimes, even though it's an opposite, it doesn't have to be completely negative, okay? So, I hope this lesson was easy for you, and I will see you for the next one. Remember, if you have any questions, you can send me a message, and I will help you out, okay? 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 Okay. I'll see you for the next lesson, all right? Remember, you're awesome.